Are you planning to do your master's degree in New Zealand and wondering how to settle there after your studies? Then you're in the very right place. With New Zealand's new points-based residence pathway, you can become eligible for permanent residency in just 2 years. And you only need 6 points. Let me explain how. Complete a master's degree in New Zealand and you'll earn 5 points straight away. Plus, you'll be eligible for a 3-year post-study work visa. Now, if you gain just 1 year of skilled work experience in New Zealand, that adds 1 more point, giving you a total of 6 points. That's it. 1 year of study plus 1 year of work is equal to 6 points, and you're eligible to apply for permanent residency, all within just 2 years. No other country in the world, even Australia and Canada, offers such a fast, clear and achievable pathway to settlement. So don't wait. Our Chief Consultant HM Mashoor Rahman is ready to help you turn your study abroad goals into a reality. Apply now, secure your future and start your journey to becoming a New Zealand resident.